Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to apply personal loan and ADIB bank online. So guys, go to Google and search for ADIB, as you can see here, Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank, and after that click the first result and wait to loading page. And what you have to do, guys, this is financial banking service, and what you have to do, just click to finance and click personal finance and wait to loading page. And after that, guys, you have this option to apply now and click read this description and click apply now. And what you have to do, guys, just wait to loading this page and write your name and your email address and your full name here and your contact number, Emirates contact number. For example, I'm from Algeria or from Morocco or from United States, and write your just phone number, as you can see here, and select your amount income and click company name and agree this one and click submit request. This is how you can do, guys. I have this video for you. See you soon.